Okay. In this consignment account, I have started 15 marks questions on that. Third one is Prabhu Dealers of Kumta consigned 100 radios to Vijay Agencies of Hospet. Here Prabhu Dealers of Kumta is consigner. He sent 100 radios to Vijay Agencies consignee of Hospet. Each radio costs 400 rupees. Okay, so 100 into 400. Prabhu Dealers paid 700 rupees for freight and carriage and insurance 1000 rupees for sending the goods and received an advance of 10,000 rupees by check against the consignment. Vijay Agencies incurred here 1,300 rupees for octroi and cartage while taking delivery of the goods. And they spent 400 rupees for godown rent and 800 rupees on advertisement. Okay, they spent 400 rupees for godown rent, 1,300 for octroi and cartage and 800 for advertisement. They also reported that they sold 80 radios. On this 100 radios, they sold 80 radios at 600 rupees each. The cost is 400. They have sold it on 600 rupees each. Vijay Agencies are entitled to 5% commission on sales. Means on total sales he is entitled for 5% commission. Here the question is prepare the necessary ledger accounts in the books of both the parties. Okay. And now open ledger account in the books of Prabhu Dealers of Kumta, consignment to Vijay Agencies account. Okay, see here first you have to write on the debit side how much goods has been sent and the cost price of those goods. Means to goods sent on consignment is 40,000 rupees. Means on 100 radios 400 rupees. 100 into 400 40,000. To bank account, now write all those expenses. Means freight and carriage 700 rupees and insurance is 1000 rupees. Next thing is to Vijay Agencies. He has incurred the expense of octroi and cartage 1300 rupees, godown rent 400 rupees and advertisement is 800 rupees. Okay, and the commission he is entitled is on this 48,000 rupees. Here 48,000 rupees arrived from this 80,000 radios has been sold at 600 each, right? So 80 into 600 means the total sales is 48,000. On this 48,000 he is entitled for 5% commission, that's equal to 2,400 rupees. Okay, now see here come to credit side. By Vijay Agencies 48,000 and now by consignment stock. So here he has sold 80 units, 100 units has been sent by Prabhu Dealers. So now 100 minus 80 means 20 radios are in stock, right? Yes, 20 radios are in stock. Now for that 20 radios, how much is the cost? Okay, for this 20 radios 400 rupees is the cost, right? So for this 400 rupees means 20 radios into 400, that's equal to 8,000 rupees is the cost price. And now you have to add proportionate expenses. Proportionate expenses of means that 700 rupees freight, 1000 rupees insurance and 1,300 rupees is the octroi and cartage up to goods sent. Okay, so here 700 plus 1000 plus 1,300 equal to 3,000 rupees for those total 100 radios. Now in stock only 20 radios. Okay, when for 100 radios 3,000 rupees is the cost, therefore for 20, so 20 into 3,000 divided by 1,000, that's equal to 600 rupees. Now for 20 radios each costing 400 rupees, cost would be 8,000. You have to add proportionate expenses of these 600. 8,000 plus 600 equal to 8,600. Okay, now make the total 48,000 plus 8,600 equal to 56,600 and make the total and see here the balancing figure of 10,000 is the profit which transfers to profit and loss account. Okay, now we are going to move towards Vijay Agency's account. Okay, Vijay Agency's account. See here, first you have to write to consignment to Vijay Agencies. Okay, 48,000, 80 radios, 600 rupees he has been sold. So 48,000. And now see here on the credit side the expenses by bank. Now advance has been paid in the early year 10,000 rupees. And by consignment to Vijay Agencies, the expenses of cartage, octroi, go down the rent, advertisement, all this 1,300, 400 and 800. And the here the commission on 48,000 is 5%, that's equal to 2,400. Now make the total, and here balance is 33,100. By balance carry down is 33,100, and here to balance brought down is 33,100. Okay, now move to goods sent on consignment account, the third account. Here goods sent on consignment, only two entries comes here. How much goods has been sent on consignment. Okay, starting by consignment to Vijay Agency's account 40,000, here it transfers to trading account, 40,000, make the total, that's it. And come to next account in the books of Vijay Agencies of Hospet, Prabhu dealers account. Okay, here first on the credit side by cash 48,000, the same thing, 80 radios has been sold for 600 rupees, 48,000. And next thing is the advance paid is 10,000. And next cash, all those same expenses of 1,300, 400 and 800, all the non-recurring expense you should write in the debit side. And the commission of 5% on 48,000 is 2,400, make the total as usual. And the balancing figure is 33,100, which should be transferred to bank account, but here still in stock 20 units, 20 radios are there. So to balance carry down is 33,100 and by balance brought down is 33,100. That's it.